Good morning to all. M.T. Vasudevan Nair, a man who started his writing very lightly but steadily, became so passionate in his own skill of writing, created magics in his creations, by which he succeeded to get into the hearts of the entire Malayalis. The readers of Kerala keeps his characters in their hearts with great love and inspiration. M.T. Vasudevan Nair, who wholeheartedly attached mother tongue in his chest and thus added immense wealth for Malayalam literature, the only one who became famous by only a short story, the great Indian writer, the magic creator, the legend, the proud of Malayalis, Madath Tekkepat Vasudevan Nair. The great and humble personality was born on August 9th, 1933 in Kudallur, Palakkad, Kerala, India. He married Srimati Kalamandalam Saraswati and they got 2 daughters. Madath Tekkepat Vasudevan Nair is popularly known as M.T. By winning the first prize in a short story competition held by New York Herald, M.T. opened his entrance to the attractive world of Malayalam literature. He was only 20 years of age then, but he was fully confident. M.T. was fully dedicated and convicted. Without turning back, he put his steps forward. Without turning back, M.T. moved forward. When M.T. was only 23, he produced Nalukettu. Nalukettu became a wonderful creation, the most valuable gift of M.T. to Malayalam literature. The readers of Kerala received that novel wholeheartedly. It is a powerful novel. It is a wonderful, fantastic novel. When we read Nalukettu, we never feel that it is the first book of a writer who just started to put his first step to the world of novel writing. Nalukettu was published in the year of 1958. Nalukettu became a rising golden star in the life of M.T. By reading that novel, all readers of Kerala welcomed M.T. into their heart. Malayalis began to feel proud of M.T. M.T. Vasudevan Nair became a powerful writer. M.T. Vasudevan Nair became a powerful Indian writer. When he made move his pen on his paper, M.T. kept his own style. He became fully unique. Nalukettu brought Sahitya Akademi Award for M.T. By winning the award, Nalukettu brought acceptance, fame and name to the writer. By winning the award, Nalukettu brought reputation, honor and also money to the writer. In the year 1975, Nalukettu was published in English. M.T. became the unquestionable king in the kingdom of Malayalam literature. The most attractive factor about M.T. is that each of his books keeps something special for his readers. As the great writer can never be compared to any other writers, his novels or short stories and also his screenplays can never be compared to another one. The message that he passes to the society makes his readers think critically and also creatively. In the year 1962, M.T. wrote Asuravith. 2 years after, in 1964, he wrote Manchu. It was in the year 1969 Kalam took birth. In 1984, the great masterpiece Randamuzham was born. It was in 2002 M.T. wrote Varanasi. Ormaikai, Benthanam, Padanam, Kalivid, Varikuri are his famous short stories. The great contribution of M.T. runs deep to the film world also. For several films, he has written screenplays and dialogues. ഇരുട്ടിൻ്റെ ആത്മാവ്, നിർമാല്യം, തീർത്ഥാടനം, ഒരു വടക്കൻ വീരഗാഥ, etc. are certain examples. In most of his works, M.T. Vasudevan Nair reflects his own emotions, struggles, pains and frustrations that he underwent in his early days. The customs, traditions, beliefs and also the dominancy that prevailed in Nair families made M.T. to move his pen against the injustice in the society. The novel Nalukettu reveals the story of a feudal Nair family. This is a Valluvanadan story in which M.T. reveals the backdrops of crumbling matrilineal order of Kerala. It is a classic Malayalam fiction. Nalukettu was translated into 14 languages. Randamuzham became the greatest asset of Malayalam literature. Randamuzham attempts to recapture the epic of Mahabharata from the standpoint of Bhima. When we go through Randamuzham, Draupadi and Bhima become so attached with us that they remain unforgettable forever in our hearts. By moulding Vadakkan Veeragatha in an attractive, beautiful and quite different way, M.T. attempts to recapture the story from the standpoint of Chandu by creating the character as an honest, romantic, truthful personality. The frustrations and emotions of a mother who is forced not to reveal her identity before her own son fills tears in our eyes when we go through Opal. The greatest beauty of M.T.'s creations is that his special talent and skill to bring about his heartfelt, powerful thoughts and to change his thoughts into great imagination and visualization in an attractive, wonderful, beautiful manner. For his overall contributions to Malayalam novels, the Honorable Personality was awarded Jnanapidam Award in 1995. In 2005, M.T. was awarded India's third highest award, Padma Bhushan. Apart from these, he won many awards including Sahitya Akademi Award, Kerala Sahitya Akademi Award, Vailar Award, Vallathol Award, Ezhuthachan Award and Mathrubhumi Award. For his lifetime achievement, M.T. received Daniel Award also. M.T. won National Film Award for the best screenplay for 4 times. Vadakkan Veeragatha won National Film Award in the year 1989. In 1991, Kadavu won the award. Sadayam got the National Film Award in 1992. In 1994, Parinayam received National Film Award. The Magic Writer, The Honor of an Ocean-like Heart, occupies a special seat in the heart of his readers. In moulding all his characters, M.T. uses his own special touch, which makes the creation more beautiful and wonderful. And this is called M.T. touch, by which the readers are attracted and inspired by him. Thank you.